Students, welcome at the best learning platform, that is StudyKosh. You have chosen the course that is Microsoft Excel. So in this course, you will get 122 audio video lectures and the language used in the course is English language. StudyKosh assure you that after learning this course, you will be master in Excel. So the topic we will cover here are MS Excel interface, workbook in Excel, how to build a spreadsheet, numeric data in Excel, sum function, min or max function, average function, auto sum command, conditional formatting, shapes in Excel, smart art in Excel, chart ribbon in Excel, pie chart, page layout view, headers and footers, also how to customize a templates in Excel, merge and center option, dsum function or criteria, daverage function, data validation criteria, pivot table, like how to create it, VLOOKUP function, HLOOKUP function. Also we will discuss about macros. So in all, we can say that we will cover all the important topics of Microsoft Excel. Now let us see what are the benefits of learning it. So MS Excel is useful in data entry, data management, accounting, financial analysis. If you want to create a chart or graphs, then Excel is the best option, and it is also useful in programming. So let's start our journey of Microsoft Excel. I hope you will enjoy it. See you in the lecture. Till then, stay tuned with StudyKosh. Thank you.